We're here at the Young Professionals Club to hear why it takes place and the value of doing it. So I'm here with James. Nice to see you again, James.
Hey, Ben.
So why do you put this on? Why is it so important for the industry?
What comes back time and time again is that we are not bringing enough young people into the industry, and we're also losing the ones that we have. So a big part of the Young Professionals Club and Career Zone is to do as much as we can over these 3 days to engage with the young professionals. You know, the marine industry is somewhere where they definitely want to stay, that it's an industry that wants them, so we're going to hear it from them. We can then take away and help educate the industry. So we're not trying to figure this out ourselves, we're actually making them part of the solution. That in itself is engaging the young professionals a lot more.
And so you have key people from the industry that are very, very well known. We've got Terry Hutchinson in, and why are those people coming along? Why does that help do and provide the mission of the Young Professionals Zone?
Yeah, so we've got a lot of support for the various sessions this year. Obviously, Terry's here at the moment. He, like a lot of people, recognise the need for more young talent and keeping them engaged. We've got everybody from Fedship, who are here involved with the Young Professionals Club, through to some really interesting innovation companies. It's just brilliant, and those are exciting companies that the young professionals want to get involved in, and so it's good to have their support.
So do you now see kind of the result of this?
Yeah, definitely. We've had some really nice stories already this morning. One example was a young professional. She came last year, she had just finished university. You fast forward a year, she's got a great job in the marine industry, she's using her degree, she's super happy. So that's been a really nice kind of second year thing to have those catch-ups.
It's really good to hear about, and thank you for everything you're doing for the industry.
Thanks, Ben.
Everybody, that's the Young Professionals and Club and Career Zone. It's a really important part of Metstrade, and if it applies to you, maybe it can help you, then come along, say hello to James, say hello to everybody here. We'll see you around.